Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. Yeah, you know, this is just a new game. I played it before, so I might know what to do, and yeah, let's just get this. Start, there's music in the background. Just had to get back to you. Guys, I got captured, but I got a new high score. So we're just gonna buy something. That's you got a pipe. Then this girl is more than yeah. So we got that. Yeah, we need to get 20 of those. So I'm still going. Sketch. Even though I'm playing on tablet. I'm really used to phone now. Oh, I thought I was on. And that was dumb. At least I got this. I already got so much stuff. Go! See you guys back. So guys, I'm back, and yeah, I got a new high score like again. So we're gonna end after some minutes. So yeah, this video might be short because I don't really want to play around. This is like a black door. It's so quiet because I want to concentrate. Oh, I gotta move too fast. Oh, guys, that's so good. 8,223. Sorry, my cousin's watching TV. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna end it off here. Sorry, but see you guys in another video. Bye.